There's a new OnePlus 6T flagship in town, one uniquely similar and all the while different from its predecessor. A new and bigger AMOLED panel, with a smaller notch and cutting-edge in-display fingerprint reader, plus a bigger battery pretty much define the upgrade over the OnePlus 6. However, the OnePlus 6T also marks the official removal of the headphone jack, surely a downgrade and sad occasion for many long-term fans. OnePlus's success is one of the textbook examples of viral online marketing in the smartphone industry. The Chinese manufacturer has built its reputation as an enthusiast's brand up from total obscurity, relying on cutthroat pricing, lofty slogans and a loyal, tight-knit community. So when you've spent the last few years cultivating a dedicated fan base by insisting that their opinions, wishes, and preferences come first, a certain backlash is to be expected when you go ahead and remove a feature they've explicitly voted as a must-have, the audio jack. A hip, fan-friendly public image is great to have, and OnePlus managed to craft one for itself truly masterfully. However, when it actually comes time to mass-produce handsets, the manufacturing realities ruling the parent company BBK Electronics Corporation impose a whole other set of necessities. In this regard, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, and even the young Realme are all subject to pretty much the same limitations and constraints that the whole industry abides by. And OnePlus is no longer positioned as the market disruptor it used to be, so we can't realistically expect more. So love it or hate it, the OnePlus 6T design and hardware are a product of the market realities and trends in 2018. It's no longer the brand you turn to for a breath of fresh air, and just on the opposite. You get what everyone else is serving. Luckily, a smartphone is a lot more than the sum of its hardware parts and external shell. The product experience exists on an independent plane of its own. Whether it is software, support or customer service, OnePlus has always put its own twist on things, and usually, it's always been to the benefit of the consumer. The OnePlus 6T is no different, and there is plenty to love about the experience it provides. Let's have a look inside the box first.